Hey, Scotty.
He just said that I should love him because he gets on his knees for me.
Well, yeah, look.
He's begging for it again. Fucking little whore. He follows me around everywhere. Oh, hey, John. Sorry. I was just spinning my rod.
So show me how clean you polished his rod.
This is all of the original hardware minus the bushings and the washings. The washings. All righty. We can tell Scotty's tired.
You're going to be doing some washings when someone's on their knees?
I'll wash something out. I mean, oops. Hated it.
Why don't you swallow the evidence?
Hey, exactly, you know?
Ew.
So now
Inappropriate humor.
we're going to get this in place.
Ooh. Scotty, you are on it, dude.
And of course, all the bushings are new.
So they're hard to smush.
This is going to be a bit of a nightmare.
It's okay, you're strong.
No, I got deodorant on.
Oh my God.
You haven't figured it out yet? There's almost nothing you can say to me that I won't have a comeback for.
If I wanted some comeback, I'd get it off your... Oh, wait.
No, I take care of all the evidence.
Ew.
Straight up the poop shoot.
What?
Poop shoot boogie.
That's Brooks and Dunn. Instead of Brooks and Dunn.
Oh! Horrible! Fucking hilarious, but God.
Poop scoot boogie. No, poop shoot boogie. Poop shoot boogie. Yeah, baby.
Oh my God.
Hated it.
How do I deal with these two together?
And just think, we've lived together as roommates off and on for 30 years.
I know, it's terrifying. So how's that coming? Don't make a coming joke.
If you hear me moaning, don't walk into the shop.
Oh, fuck. And that's the day I regretted giving Scotty his own key and alarm code. Problem is, he'd be like standing outside.
Yeah, but the problem is, the customers love me.
Well, somebody has to.
Right? That's what I'm saying. You need to put me some light up here, bitch.
I don't
Film
love
up there. No.
Film at 11.
And right. Film at 11. Where's my hole?
you. Is this a loaded question?
Oh, wait a minute. I can get the light now, I think.
Yeah,
It should be charged.
Yeah, see what happens when you change your hand? You get the plate off.
What?
You know, if you
I
can't
need to
off
get...
one grip, change grip.
It's been a while.
Yeah, I need to get the light. But
Right.
we'll get these in. I have all new bushings, new washers.
All the shebang bang.
The shaboing, boing, boing.
We're gonna do this little sheboing boing. Where'd it go? Stop moving so fast. Jesus, Scotty.
I can't help it. It's just who and what I am.
Muskrat? You're a muskrat.
And you're
Andre-
a furball.
Andre said asshole.
Well, Andre's called me a lot of things in his time. Doesn't mean he's right.
I mean, I'm wrong either. Yacht.
Bitch. Slut.
Okay. So anyway,
So I'm going to line this up in the hole.
we're discussing John's car while these two call each other.
As I'm trying to put a
names.
screw into John's hole. Go fig. You know, one of these days, the financial advisor for this car is going to show up here and beat my ass.
You might like that though. And with that, I'm cutting this.
Bye, guys.
There you are.